Welcome back here, folks, to XWF Pain. Ding, ding, ding. It's the main event. Triple H, Jeff Hardy, rematch for the world title. Walk up. Triple H, DDT. Here comes Triple H. Nice close line. Triple H, spine buster. Jeff Hardy, tornado DDT, and this no disqualifications. Face plant by Jeff Hardy. Already the swanton. Triple H moves out of the lane. Jeff jumps down. Triple H spear and sucks the hell out of him. Now Triple H and throws Jeff to the outside. Oh, an uppercut. Nice move by Triple H. Great athleticism. Into the wall there. Whoa. Oh, God. Shot off the ring apron. Jeff Hardy. Drop kick to the game. Can Jeff Hardy do it? Jeff Hardy. Cross body to the outside. No disqualifications. And now. Oh. Jeff Hardy. Twist of fate. Oh, throws Hardy to the outside. Here comes Triple H on his takedown. He's beating the hell out of him. What the hell out of it? Get a camera shot, come on! And now, come here. And now, wait a minute. What the hell? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, holy shit. What the hell was that thing? The hell is that? Jeff Hardy and Triple H are brawling. Nice uppercut. Spear takedown. And Triple H with those right hands as the world title's on the line. Where the hell are they? Where the hell? Jeff, come on. No. Oh my God. And there goes Triple H. No, wait. No. Come on, Jeff. Don't do this. Jeff looks higher. What the hell? Jeff Hardy. No, he's looking even higher. Oh my God. No. Oh my God. Holy shit, Jeff Hardy off the top. Oh my God. Is Jeff Hardy even alive? No freaking way. No freaking way. We gotta get the referee. And the EMT's out here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. The EMTs and the referees are checking up on Hardy and Triple H. Who the hell? Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. What the hell? They're coming more EMTs. Oh my God. What a main event. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, they're taking Hardy out of the arena. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, they're checking out. We'll see you next week on XWF Pain. Good night.